A lesson I've learned from this whole experience is definitely don't take your hair for granted, because once it breaks, it's broken and it's worth taking care of it. Hi, my name is Alli and today I'm getting my hair color corrected. But before you see my transformation, subscribe below. I'm looking to get my hair color corrected today because I absolutely obliterated it with bleach in the beginning of quarantine. Over the years, I've participated in a lot of different modeling work and runway shows where my hair has been kind of put into crazy situations. So going into this home bleach process with all the breakage from that experience with modeling did not help things. I've had a lot more breakage, even more breakage than there was before. My current blonde look definitely helped me make the best of the quarantine summer, but I'm definitely ready to go back to brunette. I'm really hoping that the transition back to a natural color sells as natural.
Hi there. Hi, I'm Adriana and I'm a colorist based here in Los Angeles. I'm best known for creating hair color with a lot of dimension and having it look natural. There's a few steps that go into the process that we're going to do today. Let's get started.
Awesome, I'm so excited.
Great. The first thing I'm going to do with Alli's hair is I'm going to wet it down. You want to make sure it's towel dried extremely well. Honestly, I can't get through my days without my assistant, and I'm just thankful she was able to help me on this project today. The most important step in this whole process is the filling of the hair. Without that, you're not going to get a pretty hair color. I have to go in and replace the underlying pigment that was taken out from the bleaching, and I do that and leave it on for about 10 minutes. The underlying pigments in brunette's hair can range from red to red-orange. A red would be anywhere from dark brown to medium brown, and a red-orange would be anywhere from a light brown, possibly sometimes to a dark blonde. Next, I will put a demi-permanent color on her to add a second layer in order to hold the color and have her color last longer.
I'm super excited to have my hair go back to its normal, original color, and I'm so stoked that I actually get to work with a professional this time and not just my boyfriend and bleach from a beauty supply store.
So for my clients that are blonde that want to go brunette, I tell them to go to a wig shop and I tell them to put a wig on, because 9 times out of 10 they think they want that, but then when they put that wig on, they don't want that. If they're very serious about it, let's go in stages. Let's put a couple lowlights. Let's take you a shade darker blonde and we move in baby steps. Some of the tips and tricks I tell my clients are it's best to get a water filter and to use professional shampoo and professional conditioner, something that would be sold in a salon or a beauty supply. When you're using drugstore, the guarantee just isn't there and you're rolling the dice with something that you paid a lot of money for. In the final step, I'm putting a demi-permanent color on her in case later on she wants to go lighter. It's an easy process to do so. I figured out how to perfect color correction. I'm gonna be 110% honest. It was through trial and error and a lot of years of experience. I discovered my passion for hair when I moved to Los Angeles and really just took everything in. When I'm walking down the street and I just pass somebody, I start envisioning what I could do for their hair or how to make it better, or also say, wow, that person has amazing color. Seeing the way color was done down here, I've never looked back. So for Alli's cut, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna take an inch off the bottom of her hair and frame around her face. Because she has a little bit of breakage from her home bleach job, I don't want to go in and overdo the cut. I actually went darker on the top and 1 shade lighter on the bottom. Naturally, our hair is always a bit darker on the top and lighter on the bottom, but I wanted to melt those 2 colors together and have it look as seamless as possible. So I just did that by going 1 shade lighter on the ends and then really emulsifying everything together so the look was flawless. Are you ready, Alli?
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Totally looks natural.
Yeah.
Wait, that's so insane.
buy a shower filter. We have a lot of minerals in our water. It'll help keep your hair soft.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. It's just like, I can't believe it. Like, it's just such a trip. Overall, I'm feeling so good. Adriana did an amazing job making the brunette come off super natural.
The result on Alli's hair I was extremely happy with. It was shiny, it was healthy, it looked really natural, and something she can grow out without any maintenance. She could leave it alone and not color it if she wanted to.
My hair now definitely feels a lot softer and silkier, which I really want to be able to upkeep, and it's a lot nicer without super fried ends. After going through this whole experience, I probably won't undergo any sort of major hair transformation again anytime in the near future. I'm just super happy to be back to my natural brunette, and I'm just gonna ride that wave as long as I can. Thanks for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.